Hello, my name is Noah Lee, and I'll be going over the general review for Sprint 1 for Team Skynet Creators presenting Nestor FS. For our sprint retrospective, I'll go over our burn up, burn down charts, velocity chart, and the cumulative flow diagram. First up, the burn down chart. As you can see, this was a bit of a spike, but we did manage to get everything completed. The main reason for this spike is since we did everything mostly last day. Excuse me, to be specific, we added everything and then completed all of it on the same day just to refresh what we did throughout the sprint. The same thing for the burnout chart. I believe the burnout chart is slightly different from the burn down chart. I'm not sure why everything was completed at the same time and everything was marked as completed, but the burnout chart should have the same about 25 hours that the burn down chart did. For velocity, for some reason this wasn't picking up anything yet, but the cumulative flow diagram does show a bit more about what the actual scope was. We were able to get everything completed within the first sprint, again, even though there is some discrepancy in what is being shown here. To go over our retrospective, things that went well for Noah was able to spread everything into self-contained segments. Joel was able to complete hard-coded stuff and turn it into working code using dynamic variables, integrate Noah's code into the UI layout, along with converting from a pure web page to full application. Diego converted most of his code from pseudo into actual functional code, created a functional project, and Josh was able to modify his portion to accept JSON files, I believe, exported by Diego. In terms of room for improvement, Noah looking to get broader scope for the goals, Joel working on general trouble fixing and bug fixing, along with new languages that he's working on for the project. For Diego, needing to work on getting general files that everyone can work on for those who are dependent on his portions. And finally, Josh making files accepting dynamic data instead of just a single type. Going over team impediments, Diego is needing to work on classifying a bridge from Python into Java due to most of the team members working primarily in Java. Noah working on getting a more efficient virus and hash checking system. Joel working on general bug fixing and trying to reduce file size. And Josh needing to work on a JSON library to import everything into Java. And going over the plans for the next sprint. There's much here just working kind of piecewise. Noah working on more general virus scanning. For Josh, going to work into more specifically file sorting, and Joel working more heavily in dynamically displaying data. And in a conversation with Diego, though not shown here, they'll be working more primarily on getting everything into a functional state that can be then fed to other users after parsing data. Okay, and that's everything. Thanks very much. I'll go ahead and end here. Bye.